Have you heard of these cute little bullet eyeshadows? These super blendable ones? I recently got my hands into this 8-in-1 eyeshadow Lidsticks from Just Herbs and I had to try this. I chose the one called Herbi for me, but there's another one too. This palette contains 8 shimmery shades. Let's start with this rose gold shade called Pretty Peach and apply it all over the eyelids and then blend using fingers. These creamy shades blend best with fingers and then I'm applying a second coat to intensify. And here it goes. It breaks. It's actually my fault. I've applied extra pressure. Don't worry, we can fix it anyway. The best part is Just Herbs means products which are very natural. It doesn't harm. Then applying the shade called Licorice in the outer V and then again blending with my fingers. I forgot to mention this is a black eyeshadow. Creamy textures of eyeshadows tend to leave harsh edges. So, I'm applying this brown shade from Patricia Bright Rich in Life eyeshadow palette from Makeup Revolution. The shade is called Brown Sugar and I'm applying this with this fluffy brush to blend the edges properly. Then I'm applying this shade called Cocoa Nut in my lower lash line. Sorry if I go out of the frame, here I am still adjusting to my new setup. I'm blending with the same brush but just pinching the top portion. This gives precision in blending. To darken this ombre effect, I'm applying this kajal from Faces Canada. It's their all-time pro intense gel kajal. I'm applying this halfway my upper and lower lash line and then blending with a pencil brush. Here this thing is just intensifying the smoky effect we did earlier. Here I took it little towards the black eyeshadow portion to darken. Here I took the shade Cocoa Nut again as it wasn't showing much and again the same fluffy brush just by pinching it. For highlighting my inner corners, I took this light golden shade called Darlings and this matte beige shade called Natural Glam on my brow bone. You guys can opt to false lashes, but I didn't want to overdo it today. So just curling my lashes and applying Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara from Sugar Cosmetics in my upper and lower lashes. And for a extra pump up, curling my lashes once it's dried up and calling it done. And here's the finished eyeshadow look. As my eyes are quite highlighted today, I'm trying to keep the lips muted and using a liquid lipstick from Colorbar. It's their 011 Trapp. This shade has an orange tone to it and quite going with the warm toned look I am flaunting today. And here's the finished look. Hope you guys like it. If you do, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel and join the family. Bye.